Alright guys, come with me as I style my hair. Oh, yeah, I don't know people who are natural do it. I was natural once and I ended up hurting my hair. Just checking out some of my hair because a lot of my back I cut and it's pretty much natural. I have my front that has a lot of straight ends, but I haven't really tended to my hair like I should. But I need to start because I can tell that my edges need a lot of love. So that's what I'm going to be doing soon. But for now, watch me install this unit. We're going to be doing the glueless method, so I'm going to be going in with my bowl hold liquid gold, and to push my edges back I did go with the bowl hold gel to push those back, and I'm going in with my Got to Be spray to mix it with the bowl hold, and that's just going to help that wig secure and lay flat. I find this convenient for me when I'm not going to keep a unit on long, which is rarely any unit I keep on. So I'm just doing that method across the whole hairline and applying the unit before I lay it down. Once that is applied, I spray some Got to Be spray and just put my wrap on to hold it down while I style my unit. I'm going in just for some real soft curls, so I'm just going to start sectioning my hair out and curling each section. Because I did use some hairspray, I'm going in with a wet washcloth. This is my hair cloth, and I'm just wiping the perimeter off to get that excess spray, and then I'm going in with some foundation to apply to the lace to help melt down the unit. Okay, and I'm trying this Ebon Melt spray because I've heard good things about it, so I want to just include it in my routine to try to see if it applies or helps the process of my installation. But I'm going to put my wrap on again, and I'm going in my hot comb just to flatten out the edges and just to make the hair flow. I didn't want the curls to be too tight, so I definitely wanted to kind of press all the way through the ends of my hair. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick install, and if you do and want more videos, please comment below, and thank you guys so much for watching.